Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. In today's video, we are going to be doing a 7-shot cake by Class B Insight. Class B is one of Fireworks Plus's house brands, and I was already picking up a bunch of their Shockwave to try out, and I really wanted to take a look at some of their Class B items as well. So, Insight is one of the ones I picked up. I've had good luck with these circular cakes by other vendors, and I wanted to see what Class B brought to the table on it. So this is supposed to be a little bit more of a higher end pro line, but not really crossing the pro line boundary. We don't have any artwork. We just have a brown paper wrapper going across it. Sticker on the top that it's CB TAC 5030, 7-shot Insight, and we've got the CB TAC 5030 on it as well. We have foil tops on all of the Class B cakes, and this should be a normal circular layout where we're gonna have a concrete plug in the middle and then the tubes all around on the outside of it. And yep, we got the cardboard, we got the concrete base in the middle to give this some weight to hold it down, and these are some really nice sized bores on this cake. I don't know, I am really excited to see how this looks, how big it breaks. This does have a really nice bore size on it. So let's get this all taped up, set up, and take it out back, fire it off, and see how this looks. Thanks, everyone.
Ooh, that hits. That hits.